Hello everybody, Dominic with Forest Park Honda here. Going to be showing you a new addition to our pre-owned inventory. This is a Honda 9.9 horsepower 4-stroke outboard engine. This is the 20-inch long shaft model. And it does have a tiller handle and electric start. This unit is in fantastic condition. And of course does have a forward and reverse shift control, and you'll see your electric start button on the bottom of the tiller handle. This unit does come with this 3-gallon Honda fuel cell, and let's take a look underneath the hood here. Very clean underneath. And in just a moment here, I will go ahead and hook up the water muffs and start up this motor for you. And I will go ahead and do that right now. As you can see, we have the water running. And we'll walk right around here and start it up for you. Nice and quiet. And check out forward and reverse. As you can hear, the motor is extremely quiet. Runs nice and smooth. If you have any particular questions on this machine, feel free to give us a call at Forest Park Honda, Erie, Pennsylvania. Our phone number is 814-833-3051, extension 170. My name's Dominic. Give us a call on this one.